Hey everybody, it's Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed your day off yesterday, but it's time to get back to business. So let's go ahead and go to our addition block. Okay, we have to solve for n. N is our unknown. We know that it's 300 something 8 plus 647, and our sum is 965. So I know I can use the inverse operation of addition, and I can subtract. I can take my sum, 965, I can subtract the add-in, 647, and it will give me my missing number. So I cannot do 5 take away 7, so I've got to come over to the tens place and borrow 1. That leaves me with 5 tens, and then I bring that 1 10 over, and now I have 15 ones. 15 take away 7 is 8. 5 take away 4 is 1, 1, and 9 take away 6 is 3. So when I compare it to the other add-in, I now know that n equals 1. So be careful when you do this, because I'm not looking for the sum for your answer. I am only looking for n. So the only thing you're going to give me is that missing unknown. Okay, jump over to our subtraction block. We're subtracting across zeros. So I'm going to look at my ones place first. I cannot do 4 minus 8. So I am going to have to come over to the tens place. Well, you know what? The tens have nothing to loan me. So now I have to go over to the hundreds place. When I borrow from the hundreds, I take away that 100 that I borrow, and I'm left with 7 hundreds. I bring my 100 over, and now I have 10 tens. Now, that doesn't mean I'm done, because I'm still haven't subtracted that ones place, because I can't. The good thing is I can now borrow from my tens place. So that leaves me with 9 tens. I bring that 10 over, and I now have 14 ones. 14 take away 8 is 6. 9 take away 9 is 0. 7 take away 3 is 4. So my final answer, my difference, is 406. Okay, next, these are our multiplication facts. Remember, if you're still struggling, you can do the multiplication songs. They are in the top of your math Google Classroom page. But if you know them, great. If you don't, look them up before you do this. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 7 is 35. 0 times 7 is 0. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. 8 times 7 is 56. 6 times 7 is 42. 7 times 9 is 63. 10 times 7 is 70. 2 times 7 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. Now make sure that you not only write your products down, but that you write your problems down. I should see the whole fact family. 7 times 4 equals 28. Write the whole thing down. It's not going to help you study those if you just write the products. Okay, let's jump over to our division page. We have 12 divided by 3, and that is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. And I'm going to stop real quick for those of you that are still struggling on this. Remember, on our first block where we use the inverse of addition, we can use the inverse of division to help us figure this out too. So I can take whatever my difference would be, and I'm going to call that n because we don't know what it is. N equals 3 times what equals 24? Well, I know that 3 times 8 equals 24, so that means the missing number, or my difference, is 8. So you can always use that strategy as well. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 3 divided by 0 is 0. Okay, let's jump on to our DMR of the day. Okay, we're using base 10 blocks to multiply a 1-digit number by a 2-digit number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see how many equal groups I have. So if I look, I have 1 equal group, 2, 3. So I know I'm doing 3 times something. Well, now I need to see how many is in each group. I know that's 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So I've got 3 groups of 13. So it's 3 times 13. And what does that equal? Well, I can simply count my base 10 blocks. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So 3 times 13 is 39. Alright guys, you all did a great job today. You are done with your spiral review and your DMR. Finish up all your other work and then you are done for the day. I will see you at our Google Meet.